stream.
And how many faculty members will be?
Faculty members, there are 7 subjects, then 7 faculty members will be there, newly appointed.
How many students now for the first batch?
At present, just now we have 41 students. Already the permission from SEBA and permission from Council, Autonomous Council, we have already received. The certificate also already we have. So now it has become a full-fledged school. Earlier it was Don Bosco High School. Now it has become Don Bosco Higher Secondary School at Hamren.
Really happy to be here this morning, inaugurating and blessing the new building for the higher secondary. You know, it's a proud moment for every person here in Hamren, because we have an institution that produces good result, that gives value education, and we are going ahead with education. I just want to congratulate every parent of this institution, past and present, who had been contributing amazingly for the growth of the growth of the school, and also every teacher. You know, if we have good product, the reason is that if the tree gives good fruit, the reason is that somebody is giving good manure. That is why the trees are producing good fruit. And that is what we see here in Don Bosco. I just want to appreciate, congratulate and thank every teacher, every parent and every student who are really committed, dedicated and disciplined. And I wish everyone here all the best, that they may come out successfully and flying colors and reach all the dreams what they want to reach. May God bless all of them.
Hamren arat aphan mata Hamren rong supi Westcar Benglong rong supi arat aphan elitum piniarni la kening karong nei arni lo athema elitum dak te bok tere api apu mate Hamren area atum jesemet ke elitum ke mesen school higher secondary Don Bosco lo inpute putawar ka cholang elitum majerding piglo laso ake mang pa elitum nam mang ka heman la pa elitum ning ke the arni piniarni ke nang pleng pichilo piniarni la ke elitum Hamren Don Bosco High School abang pini ke lito aphan Don Bosco Higher Secondary School pini ani lito aphan engku pilo lasi pini lito aphan lito machinghon provincial Guwahati pen for Sibu alang liwangsi ladak lito aphan engku pitekang lo la ke lito aphan la pen Hamren arat aphan hodai pitekang lo la pen non pini arni la pen non first batch la ke arts stream an phansi bi unchot la bang ke ladak bang prikebraisi an bak osomaratum dak chardi ponong po la penisia bangke ladak kang pupon isia ke me abangke litum abangke lalo ilitum asomar mesensen kapurhe atum do waiphat sita ilitum apia po tum ilitum kiduk det atum kelong awar sai kawe penajok ilitum non difu kidun tong Guwahati tong angtan mate Hamren penang tan ke dam ye phan itu ki sung do athema ke dam ke wang hada ilitum asomar phan ke do ke thak awar sai ki sung ka siksa do mate apia po tum hada che do nei hostel bidu nei ma paying guest hada ke ta hopuk itu akhoros hepik sita non la daga bangke litum ab hem methang pen litum hem thiku bolong ala litum higher secondary mesen charlie ponpen alang litum mesen a kapurhe litum longpon pola pen litum theklo la pen litum theklong le la theklong je non la dak pini la so a school along by higher secondary school long ke than ponji bang mesen atum asab amasor atu mate lecturer atu litum han longpon lo la sili to marat aphan litum ningarong pen so adi malong il to apia po tum ta tum mesen pen litum bor ipinona cherap dolona il to masomar tum han ke plan so se ke pe the ka pere je pha la ke to apia po tum il tum klempon nang po la sil to apra la sil tum to war cholang pon lo